Point values are double. Top 6 answers on the board. To clear his conscience, what might a man confess to his dog because he knows it won't tell anyone?
That he's a cheater.
That he's a cheater. Pass the play.
We're gonna play, Steve.
Let's play. All right, so family, just so I don't have to read this whole thing, I'm gonna leave off the part that says to clear his conscience.
Okay.
All I'm gonna say is, what might a man confess to his dog because he knows he won't tell anyone? That's fair? Okay, good. Molly,
Hi, Steve.
what do you do?
I'm in sales. I help.
Obviously, you just want to play the damn game, okay? So, what might a man confess to his dog because he knows he won't tell anyone?
That he stole something.
He stole something. Josh, baby, what might a man confess to his dog because he knows he won't tell anyone?
I'm gonna tell that dog I lost my job.
I lost my job. All right, Nick, 2 strikes, gotta be careful, flowers can steal. What might a man confess to his dog because he knew he won't tell anyone?
That he killed someone.
Good answer!
I didn't say that. I'm just answering the question.
Okay.
And I have 2 cats. I don't have a dog, so I wouldn't tell.
Okay. He killed somebody with the cats. What might a man confess to his dog because he knows it won't tell anyone?
I have a beautiful girlfriend, but I'm gonna say homosexual.
All right, great answer. Good answer. Good answer.
You don't think the dog been noticing who's coming over? You lean over and tell your dog, "Excuse me, I'm gay." The dog go, "Oh, I know." He's a homosexual. What might a man confess to his dog because he knows he won't tell anyone?
Steve, we're gonna go with hates his family.
He hates his family. You don't have to tell a dog that. 3. Your ass on YouTube. Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh, my dear gracious.